Hello peoples. So since we're stuck in this lockdown at the moment, we can't go nowhere, I thought I'd just run through the kit that I use for my wild camping. So I've got an old British Army Bergen here. I've got a nice patch on it from Kent Survival, thanks Andy. Really good stuff. So I thought I'd go through the stuff that I carry. I don't use expensive gear, I use sort of heavyweight gear because I'm sort of heavyweight bloke, you know what I mean? So I don't use this lightweight stuff. And I do tend to get cold. So the stuff that I do use is a bit heavier, but yeah, it's going to last me longer as well. So I'm going to just go through the bag. In the top here I've got a bit of light fluid, torch, just a cheap oil torch. In here I've got folding wood saw, that's good for chopping up little twigs and that. Some Sainsbury's chopped pork, which is like spam. So if you're watching this, IKS, Ian, a couple of tins of spam. It's his favourite. I've got a cold steel knife, so it's just really good for battening wood and stuff like that. It's made by SRK. It's a right good knife. Cost me 90 quid, but it's well worth it. Probably the most expensive thing in the bag, really. That's in that bit. I'm going to go around and unpick this. So what I do carry is I carry a little pan like this. So you could get smaller pans, but instead of carrying a kettle as well, I just take the one pan. I can fry up a bit of food in there. I can heat up water for a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, whatever. So yeah, just a cheap couple of quid pan fits in the top of there. Right, so this is the waterproof membrane here. So all that's inside here stays nice and dry. Inside here I've got this little bag, and inside the bag got a British Army Gore-Tex bivvy bag. Can't go wrong with a bivvy bag. You can actually sleep in this outside. I think I paid something like 40 quid for that. So that's excellent. Gives you another couple of degrees on top of your sleeping bag as well if it's cold. You can sleep in it outside. If your tent leaks or anything like that, a bit of water comes in, you can sleep inside that little bag, no problem. Insulated cup. That's my little folding stove in there, little gas stove. And a big, nice big tin of gas there as well. I always carry a big tin of gas with me because I do like lots of cups of teas and that. In here I've got leather gloves. These were Lidl's, about 7 quid. They're good for when you're lighting fires, cutting wood and all that, using the knife to batten in. And all that saves your hands as well. And also if it does get cold you can just stick them on. They're always in the bag. Nice little folding pillow. It's got a wet stop bit on the bottom in case it's touching the ground, and then it's nice and soft on the top. Folds in half as well. That's a nice little pillow. Snowdonia outdoors blow up bed. It's got foam inside as well, so it keeps the heat. So you can really feel the heat coming up through that. It is a little bit big compared to some other folding beds, but that's, you know, a sort of side sleeper, so you get pains in your sides and your hips and that. But this is brilliant bit of kit. I think it's something like £26 on Amazon. So that's a Snowdonia outdoors. That's really good. You don't roll off of it either. And here as well, got a nice cheap tent, one-man tent. It's called a nightcap. It's just got 2 poles that goes over the middle, 4 pegs in the ground, and you're sorted. I've sprayed it twice with Fab Seal, and it's absolutely brilliant. Use this most of the time. In the winter I use my Polish Lavu. It's a nice sort of thick canvas tent, and it keeps all the cold out of that. But this, most of the time I use this because it's lighter and it dries quicker than the Lavu. In here got this, which is my Challenger 400 sleeping bag. This was off Amazon as well. These are about 70 quid. They zip up the middle as well, which is really good. There's loads of room there, got a hood on it. So sometimes normal sleep bag you get the cold up the side where the zip is. This one zips right up the middle, so if you get a breeze from left to right inside the tent, it doesn't even touch you. That is pack a bit of kit, that is. You can be like 6'4" and go in that. That's another Amazon buy. Just a little keepy tarp, 3x3 tarp. I just use that, putting underneath my bed, just to keep me off the floor a little bit. Just gives you a little bit of insulation, stops everything from getting messy or dirty. Also as well, it sticks out the front of my sleeping mat, so that when I get up in the morning I can roll out onto my knees, onto this, and then get out of the tent. So I think that was about £5 in Wilkinson's. And here, extra long tent pegs. There's 8 of them in there. Really are long ones. They're about £20 at the local fishing tackle shop. Once you bang them in the ground, your tent's going nowhere. Went through Storm Dennis with them. And then in the front here, little plastic bag. So inside I've got the Haltervors little kitchen knife, so I use that for prepping food and that, cutting spam. Little toilet roll, gold dust. And inside here I've got a couple of mug shop noodles. They're quite nice. You don't really want something hot to eat, just boil up the kettle, make a cup of tea and have a few of them noodles in there. It's really nice. A couple of spoons. Tea bags, coffee, sugar, some lattes, tea bags, yeah, there's all sorts of bits in there. And this one, I've got a jet lighter. Then I've got my little fat wood in there, my fat wood stash, good for lighting fires. This Maxi Jets I think are about £8 on Amazon. They're quite good. Then I normally keep char cloth in there, but this I've got little tissues in there for fire starting in a minute. But I've got to make up some more char cloth. Some extra strength painkillers just in case, 500 milligrams, you only need them. They stop nearly everything. Some waterproof matches, they're out of a British Army ration pack. They're really good, they're waterproof, windproof and everything. And a couple of extra lighters just in case. I do have a ferrite rod somewhere, but I don't know what I've done with it. Maybe it's in the other bag. Yeah, as I say, there's quite a bit of stuff there as well. But I say you just add 2 litres of water and I can stay out for 2 days and survive on that. You know, a couple of mug shots, a couple of bits of spam, all that sort of thing. And also what I have been doing now is instead of taking bread out, because bread goes off within a couple of days and it goes hard, and that, I just take the wraps from a local shop. You get 12 wraps for a couple of quid and just wrap them up, and it's much better. You don't get so breaded out and that sort of thing. So yeah, so that's my kit. So yeah, hopefully soon be able to get back out again and do some more videos for you. So I'll see you soon. Thank you.